Located in London, next to King's Cross, the Coal Drops Yard is a pair of Victorian warehouses transformed in 2018 to a public space and retail shops designed by Heatherwick Studio. Along the Regent's Canal, the structures were originally designed to receive coal from the north of England. The gabled roofs of two buildings rise up to create a glazed space in the center to host events. The existing buildings were restored with traces of the past mixed with new elements. Stop for a coffee in Granary Square and enjoy your visit.